In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Real Shrek filter on Snapchat. Okay, so I've left a link in the description of this video, and if you go ahead and tap on that link, you'll be taken to the following website. This is the official Snapchat lens page for the Real Shrek Instagram filter. Then all you need to do is go ahead and tap on Open in Snapchat at the bottom there, and this pop-up will appear and it should say unlock for 48 hours, but since I've done it already, it tells me this, so I can just go ahead and tap on take a snap. And this is the Real Shrek filter on Snapchat. So what you can do is record your video from here, add it to your story, or send it to your friends on Snapchat, or download it to your camera roll and use it on any other social media that you would like. So if you were able to get this filter and if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.